Alright, so today I'm going to be working on a Ford Ranger. There's no video I've seen so far on the disassembly of a cluster or any adjustments you can do to it. So to start, you want to get it out of the car, which are 4 bolts. There'll be one there, one there, one there, and one there. And next what you want to do is tackle the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts that hold the face of this together. Once you have those pieces removed, this simply just comes right off, so you can see. Next, this piece comes right off, and you're left with this. Next, what you want to do, you have to pry on these a little bit, so it may take some force. It may not want to come out super easy, but these are held in just by these clips here, which correspond to the back of the circuit board. And as you can see, they just slide right in there. So the only thing really holding them together is the cluster bezel. That will come out like that, and this one will come right out like this. There may be a little bit of force holding them in, so you might have to pry just a little bit, but just be careful not to break them when they come out. It's your option if you have a piece here for the park neutral, park neutral drive selector, whatever you want to call it. That would be there, which is held in by these 2 bolts. But in this case, we don't have to worry about that, so it just slides out just like that. And all you're left with is kind of the cluster housing and the circuit board on the back. If you're wondering about what the back of the speedometer looks like, this is it. You have a gear set there, a gear set there. This is a mechanical speedometer. The only thing really moving on the inside is this piece whenever you spin the cable.